Do you want to start a business but have no idea how to start it? Are you interested in knowing different types of businesses? You are at the correct place, as this video will guide you through the details of various types of businesses that you might be planning to start. Be it establishing your own company or even co-owning a business, it's better to know about what type would suit your needs. So, without wasting any time, let's discuss about different types of businesses. Number 1. Sole proprietorship. As an entrepreneur, if you wish to have full control over your business, a sole proprietorship is your best call. A sole proprietorship is a type of business that is owned by a single individual only. You are your own boss, responsible for controlling and managing your business smoothly. Besides, there is also no requirement to register your sole proprietorship business, which reduces your overall cost and time of compliance. Another exciting feature is that you get to keep all the profits that your business earns, but your liability towards the business will be unlimited. This means that you will have to pay off all its debts and losses alone. So make your choice wisely. Number 2. Partnership firm. As the name suggests, a partnership firm is a type of business that is owned, managed, and controlled by 2 or more people. Its formation is based on the constitution of partnership deeds, which must be stamped and signed in the presence of a notary. The capital, profit, and losses are shared as agreed by all the partners in the partnership deed. Although its registration is optional, but we always recommend that you register your firm to avoid any kind of legal disputes in the future. Coming on to number 3, limited liability partnership. If you are looking for a better version of a partnership business, then limited liability partnership would be your best choice. The best advantage of an LLP over a partnership firm is that the liabilities of all its partners are limited to their capital sharing ratios only. This means that the partners will not have to pay off the entire debts and losses under any circumstances. Moreover, it is compulsory to register an LLP with the Registrar of Companies under the Companies Act 2013. One-person company. A one-person company is a game changer for most startups. Want to know why? A one-person company is a single-owner business, similar to a sole proprietorship. But in a one-person company, the liability of the owner is limited to their subscribed capital, unlike a sole proprietorship where the liability of the owner is unlimited. It is compulsory to register a one-person company with the Registrar of Companies under the Companies Act 2013. The good news, however, is that the whole registration process is 100% online. Private limited company. A private limited company is the most preferred choice of entrepreneurs in India due to its amazing features like limited liability for owners, shared capital investment, and easy transfer of ownership. You can set up a private limited company with a minimum of 2 shareholders only. Like other companies, registering a private limited company is also compulsory with the Registrar of Companies under the Companies Act 2013. So, now that you know there are so many types of businesses, contemplate the pros and cons of each type of business and make an informed choice. Our purpose here at SetIndiaBiz is to provide end-to-end legal assistance to such ventures so that they can commence their business with utmost ease and effortlessness. For this, we have a robust team of professionals and legal experts who analyzes the requirements of your business right from its inception and guide you through all its stages of operations. Our process here begins with selecting the best suited form of business for your startup based on a number of factors like its ownership, capital, goals, and objectives. And if needed, we will also help you incorporate your startup with the appropriate authority in the manner prescribed under law. Our services extend to post-incorporation compliances as well. to ensure that your startup is well protected against consequences of non-compliance in its initial stages. So, now all you have to do to start your business is contact us. Subscribe to our wholesome packages, provide us the details and documents that we ask for, and sit back chilling for the timely delivery of our services. If you are still doubtful, do not hesitate in sharing your queries with our consultants at an extremely reasonable fee. Let SetIndiaBiz assist you today.